Alright, we are back with another trade breakdown. This is for the 6th of October 2025. This was taken during New York session, and this was my trade of the day. So what we saw off New York Open was 9 a.m. came, or 9:30, sorry, came around, and we just started plummeting. Market dropped, I think it was about 100 points in total until about this point down here. So my plan was, I was looking at the charts and decided, okay, bias for the day is bullish. We're trading very, very close to all-time highs. So I eventually want to try catch along up to all-time highs. However, when we did start dropping on ES and NQ on market open, I wasn't panicked. I was just like, okay, doing what any trader should do. This is good. Let's go down, let's sweep any liquidity that's there so that we then have more momentum to go up and reach these all-time highs and hopefully get some good longs throughout the day. So that's kind of what my thought process was going into this. So as you can see here, we've got this very strong draw on liquidity, which is actually, I believe this was London session lows from earlier in the day. So that was my target when targeting this trade. I also realized that we were a lot closer to these lows on ES than we were on NQ. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, it's highly likely that ES is going to take these trades or take these lows before NQ does. So let's look for it on ES or look for some form of entry that I'm happy to take on ES. So that's what I did. I hop on the charts and I'm like, okay, ideally I want to see a pullback into an inverse fair value gap, which is exactly what we got. So as you can, I'll turn this one off here real quick so it's a bit clearer. As you can see here, price plummeted off open. We got a small pullback there, nothing too crazy, continued to plummet, and then this is where we got the big pullback. This was our inverse fair value gap. I know it doesn't show it properly because of this wick on this chart. However, it was a 30-second inverse. I just really liked the way it closed and the size of it, so that's why I was happy to take this 30-second one. Obviously, on TradingView, I can only get the 1-minute chart up, so that's why it doesn't look quite right. So yeah, price came down, entered, instantly pushed down, almost hit full TP straight away, which would have been a very nice trade, but we didn't. Price then came back up, tested this inverse fair value gap. It did that for 2 minutes. Price eventually then just started coming down and then eventually hit full TP. It wasn't a very long trade. I think it was only about, what, 6-7 minutes in total. But yeah, fairly simple trade, just an inverse fair value gap with continuation targeting a strong draw on liquidity, which is what I wanted to see, which is very nice. So I believe I risked, I think it was around 230 to make 500 on this trade. So that was that for the day. But yeah, if you guys have anything that you would have done differently for this trade, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, let's have a chat about it. Also, if you guys are finding these videos helpful, please leave a like, as it will let me know that and I'll keep making them. Also, if you have any trades you want me to break down, leave a comment down below and I will get on that and we can sort something out for you to help you out. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and I hope to see you in the next one.